I'm at Jantar Mantar with Neha, one of the ISA students that was on hunger strike along with Sonam Wangchuk. Neha, thank you so much for speaking with us. Can you take us through your journey of your hunger strike, please?
So I think we didn't know what we were stepping into because six of us decided that we would sit on a hunger strike along with Sonam Wangchuk, and neither of us had ever sat on a hunger strike before. Fortunately, our organization is old and has been part of the JNUSU, so there have been multiple hunger strikes that different sets of people have sat on from ISA. So there is a leadership which has watched them and taken them through the hunger strikes. So for us, that was very useful. We knew that once we hit 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, all of our energy would disappear. And that's what happened for me. It happened, I think, on the 4th or 5th day, where in the evening around 4 or 5, I went to the washroom and then I came back and I sat on a chair and I thought I would never be able to get up again. And I didn't know how I would carry it the next day. But then somehow I went to sleep, and the next morning I woke up and I felt better. I was very surprised. And the doctor came, he took our blood sugar. It was higher than it was in the evening. And we were very shocked. We were asking him, how is that possible? We didn't eat anything. And he says that our bodies are smarter than we give them credit for. So once our glucose is depleted, our body takes energy from other sources, from proteins, fats, from muscles, other places. So that had started happening. And that is why all of our blood sugars was witnessing a slight rise. That stabilized for 3-4 days. And then it was a constantly low energy for the next, I think, 7, 8, 9 days. The last 4 days were very, very difficult. I think the day Sonam Wangchuk was picked up from the stage here, I was sleeping. There was a lot of commotion. Somehow everybody was awake. I was not awake. So my fellow hunger strikers only woke me up. They said, "Comrade, uthiye, uthiye." And then I woke up and it was so noisy and I couldn't make sense of what was happening. I just saw that there was civil people in civil clothes, just a big chunk of them standing near the stage. And I thought that they were probably students, protesters, and maybe there was some person who was over enthusiastic and wanted to meet Sonam Wangchuk or Abhijit Dipke and had just entered. But later it was uniformed people which started barging in. And then I realized that, oh, that's not what is happening. And within a matter of, I think, 3-4 seconds, they put up white sheets on all 3 sides and we couldn't see anything except white sheets. And not even within a matter of minutes, but seconds. From one side of the stage where Sonam Wangchuk was sitting to the other side, he had disappeared. And in the next 3-4 minutes, another set of armed, uniformed people, specifically women police personnel. Our protest site is just here. So it was barricaded with ropes. So another set of uniformed security personnel, they broke the rope and started barging in. So by that time everybody was on alert that Sonam sir had been picked up.
मीडिया के साथ प्लीज थोड़ी देर आप शांति बनाए रखें, व्यवस्थाओं को खराब ना करें, प्लीज आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, थोड़ी देर आप
everybody,
साइड में हो जाए प्लीज.
including not just ISA activists but people who used to see us going to the washroom, who used to see us
मीडिया के साथ ही आपसे बार-बार कहना पड़ रहा है भाई मोबाइल
if we would gesture to our comrades in the tent, पानी चाहिए, and कोई अगर सुन नहीं रहा होता था, so anybody who was watching from that side of the road, they would be like, सुनो सुनो बुला रहे हो. So all of that translated into this, that on that day they were saying Sonam sir को ले जाने दिए, आपको नहीं ले जाने दिए, आपको नहीं ले जाने दिए. And they kept saying us, I know, I'm sure they knew that it was impossible. They kept saying, आप वापस हो जाओ, आप भूख हड़ताल पे आप वापस हो जाओ, आपको हम नहीं ले जाने देंगे, हम नहीं ले जाने देंगे. And it was so, I don't have words to describe what it was, because we were so full of panic, because it was the first few minutes of our waking up, and it was utter chaos, utter panic. Amin, who was on hunger strike with me, he was having palpitation because of the sudden panic and anxiety. and the police force, and they said that nahi le jane denge. Youngest comrade, he's 20 years old, he's doing bachelor's in Allahabad University. He's standing like this in front of the police and the police is hitting him and he's saying nahi le jane denge, nahi le jane denge. And I don't know, it was so heartening to watch all of
भाई
that.
मीडिया वाले
There
भाई
were
लोग
these
पीछे थोड़ा
young
कैमरा लेना
girls.
प्लीज
I think she was in
आपसे
school
बार-बार
or
कहना
something.
पड़ रहा है,
These two
ऐसे काम मत करो
girls,
आप।
they were in
ये
school
अनुशासनहीनता
and
होती है।
they were inside the human chain only with us, but she just stood in front of me. There was no purpose, like functionally there was no purpose, but she said, "मुझे पहले ले जाएंगे, आपको नहीं ले जाएंगे." I didn't know what to say to that. So that happened, and from that day on, I think every night we had to be very alert. We slept with one eye open. And if at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, people would see us talking to each other, they would say, "आप क्यों नहीं सो रहे हो?" Especially the older protesters would say, "क्यों नहीं सो रहे हो बेटा? सो जाओ, आप भूख हड़ताल पे हो, तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी." तो we would joke and say कि हम सोएंगे वहाँ पे, वो आँख खोलेगी तो हम जेल में होंगे. तो कहते ऐसे थोड़ी आपको ले जाने देंगे. तो it was that. The last 4 days was so difficult because after Sonam Wangchuk was picked up, the crowd tripled. I think became 10 times in size. So it was humid, it was so noisy, and our body was just being pushed to its limits. We would just wear headphones, put a pillow over our heads and just try to fall asleep.
आपसे
But it
निवेदन
would
है
not
आप बैठ जाएं,
happen.
हमारी
The
किसी
same
बहन को
people
परेशानी
who,
नहीं
you
हो,
know,
आपकी वजह से इस बात का
at
ध्यान
maybe
रखें।
when we were at the lowest in our energy, we would
Please
think
बैठ
कि
जाओ,
यार
आराम से बैठ
इतने
जाओ
सारे
भाई।
लोग हैं, इतना शोर हो रहा है, बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. Those same people would come, they would tell us कि यार बहुत बड़ी गलतियाँ की हैं पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने इस देश की राजनीति को समझने में, चुनने में, और हमारी गलती की वजह से तुम बैठी हुई हो 23 दिन से, 20 दिन से, 21 दिन से, तुमसे माफ़ी मांग रहे हैं बस. And there were old people who would just start crying. They would just come, they would not say anything because they couldn't say anything. बस रोने लग जाएंगे. There were women who were coming to tie protection threads. There were गुरुद्वारे से पानी आया हमको वो कि आप ये पीजिए. किसी और पीर से फूका हुआ पानी आया. Across, it was a very secular way of trying to protect us, protect all of us hunger strikers. That happened, and then I think when we broke our strike on 23rd, it was early morning, I think it was 8:30 around that time, and I think अगर हमने 23 के 23 दिन भरपेट भी खाया होता तो जितनी खुशी हमें 20 तारीख को मिली ये देख के कि 4-5-6 लाख लोग दिल्ली, सेंट्रल दिल्ली में आए हुए हैं और सॉलिडारिटी में आए हुए हैं, शायद उतनी खुशी हमें तब नहीं होती अगर हम रोज़ मतलब 56 भोग कर रहे होते जितनी हमें हुई. हमें लगा कि 23 दिन की भूख इस चीज़ के लिए कि फाइनली हम इस पे बात करेंगे कि इस देश में अभी तक जो कुछ हुआ सब धोखा, सब फरेब, सब झूठ, सब नफ़रत, सब लालच है, और अभी जो हो रहा है ये असली देश है. ये देश बना ऐसे था और अब इस देश को जब ढहाने की हर कोशिश हो चुकी है, आधे से ज़्यादा लोकतांत्रिक स्तंभ गिर चुके हैं, इस देश को वापस बनाने का प्रोसेस भी ऐसे ही लिया जाएगा जैसे आज लिया जा रहा है. सो या दिस वाज द जर्नी ऑफ आवर हंगर स्ट्राइक.
Question I had while crossing you in your protest site also was, what are some thoughts that keep you going when it gets very hard?
I think in the worst of times, in the most repressive of times, it is actually humor that keeps you going. तो मतलब भूख सबको लग रही होती है, चिढ़ सबको हो रही होती है, आपका बॉडी आपको गाली सबकी बॉडी दे रही होती है, एंड सम पीपल बिकॉज somebody asked जिसकी कभी मन नहीं किया कि छोड़ दे हंगर स्ट्राइक. ये कभी मन नहीं किया. हम मजाक इसको we would always turn it into कि यार बताओ ये बुढ़े लोग जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर बने हुए बैठे हैं हमारी जान ले लेंगे. ये बुढ़े लोग तो कहीं जा नहीं रहे हैं, खुद तो ये लोग दावत कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं कौन से होटल में क्या क्या खा रहे होंगे ये लोग, और हम जैसे लोगों को भूखे बिठा दिया है. There would be old people who would come and who would, you know,
आप अलग नहीं हो,
they would just sit
वो भी तो खड़े ना,
and for 45 hours they would just rant about their lives, and they would not realize that none of that had anything to do with whatever the protest is happening, it would just go on to their family. मेरी बच्ची है, उसको ये रंग पसंद है. So I don't know, it was just a place of communion. It was a place of so much solidarity. मतलब जब आप कहते हैं ना, we keep saying कि दिस इज़ द वर्ल्ड इट इज़. आप क्या कर लेंगे, लोग तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, लोग मतलबी होते हैं, लोग नहीं सोचते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, लोग अपने बारे में सोचते हैं. ऐसा जो भी लोग सोचते हैं वो कभी प्रोटेस्ट साइट्स विज़िट करें. उन्होंने कभी अगर किसान आंदोलन के प्रोटेस्ट साइट्स का चक्कर लगाया होता, शाहीन बाग का चक्कर लगाया होता, या यहाँ पे जो प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है उसका चक्कर लगाया होता, उन्हें समझ में आता कि कैसे लोग अपना काम छोड़ के, जिनको ज़रूरत होती है उनका काम में मदद करने आ जाते हैं. लोग सो रहे होते थे और आखिरी के दिन में हम लोग व्हील चेयर यूज़ कर रहे थे क्योंकि एनर्जी नहीं थी. तो जब हमारा व्हील चेयर जाता था
भाई पुरानी न्यूज़ प्लीज,
एक रोड मतलब एक साइड पे फुटपाथ पे लोग सो रहे होते हैं. एक इंसान उठेगा, उसकी देख रहा है व्हील चेयर आ रही है और वो हम अभी दूर हैं और उस सबको उठाएगा. उठ जाओ व्हील चेयर आ रही है, उठ जाओ व्हील चेयर आ रही है, उठ जाओ व्हील चेयर आ रही है. और उनमें कुछ लोग इरिटेट हो रहे हैं, फिर वो देख रहे हैं कि कौन आ रहा है, तो वो आ रहे हैं और व्हील चेयर अपने हाथ से उठा के हमें कैरी कर रहे हैं. ये करते हैं लोग. आप मौका देते हैं जब लोगों को, उन्हें ये विवश नहीं करते हैं कि जब तक एक दूसरे से नफ़रत नहीं करोगे और किसी और को छोटा नहीं दिखाओगे, तब तक खुद ताकतवर महसूस नहीं कर पाओगे. तुम्हारा हिस्सा तुम्हें तभी मिलेगा जब किसी और का हिस्सा तुम खाओगे. When you don't force this upon people, people are very magnanimous, people are very empathetic, people are willing to do everything for each other. It's just that we as people, we as a system need to give each other a chance. We need to recognize the politics that divides us, that makes enemies out of each other, and we need to recognize the politics that makes us one, that unites us.